Hello, welcome back. All right, this video is going to be about the back spot turn. This is going to be a unique pattern. It's very fun. Kind of puts you more in a stationary position. It's a nice little roundabout, okay? So we're going to take it from a different angle here and there. So we're going to start off with a two-hand hold position. And you can do closed as well, and we'll show that. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see how that works? Cool. So let's take it from this angle. Now we're going to take it from a closed position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Yes? So with that, we're going to go into from the back here, okay? So when we do this one, making sure that you understand it's going to go, hand goes between you, all right? So here we go. Ready? Actually, let's take it from a two-hand hold position. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Very cool. So one more. Let's go with the Monica's back to you so you can see this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. So you can see how that rotates, and you can go a little further, a little shorter. All depends on what you're doing, the size of your steps, and so forth. And to go have fun with this, all right? Go to the private lesson style videos, and we'll show you how to get in that in different ways. Cool. All right, go have fun, practice, and come on back for the next pattern.